Black & Decker, new ideas in kitchen science. You are the boss. The Black & Decker one-touch electric chopper works for you. A stay-sharp blade chops ingredients in seconds. The lock-in lid makes quick chopping easy and safe. One-touch pulse button control puts the power into your fingertips. And with dishwasher-safe parts, cleanup is a breeze. The Black & Decker one-touch electric chopper helps you create with ease.
Introducing Clever Cutter, the 2-in-1 knife and cutting board that chops and slices food in seconds. The razor-sharp stainless steel blades slice quickly through food. The secret is the power pressure handles that spring open for quick, easy slicing. Clever Cutter cuts up to 10 times faster. Chop an entire salad. Slice cheese with ease. Cut potatoes for hash browns. Onions so fast you won't shed a tear. The wide mouth cuts bread beautifully. Top eggs with veggies or carve a chicken Caesar salad. Garnish a dish with fresh herbs. Slice veggies for soup right in the pot. There's a locking safety for storage. Clever Cutter, the 2-in-1 knife and cutting board that chops and slices food in seconds.
Have you ever wished that there's something that could take the hard work out of the laborious job of chopping vegetables and fruits? Or have you ever wondered how to not get watery eyes while cutting onions? If so, the Brieftons food chopper is your answer. This versatile tool makes quick work out of tough cutting tasks, and it's so easy to assemble, use, and care for. And the best thing is, no battery required. Components: a 3-cup capacity bowl, lid with a cord pulling mechanism, cutting rotator with 2 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades. Take some nuts, put them inside. Take the lid, place it on top. Then just pull the cord a few times. The more you pull, the more finely chopped the ingredients will be. Another thing that it's great for is onions. If you hate getting watery eyes when chopping onions in the traditional way, this will solve it all for you. With the lid on top and onions inside the bowl, you can effortlessly chop away without them making your eyes water. Cleanup is a snap. Use a damp cloth with detergent to remove any food from the base of the lid. The rest of the unit is dishwasher safe and can simply be washed with some soapy water. The Brieftons food chopper is a versatile and indispensable kitchen tool that you'll want to have on your kitchen counter at all times.
The Veggie Chop is one of the most versatile tools in the chef-in line. It's one of my personal favorites. It's great for chopping nuts, as we're going to do right now, to herbs, to doing salsa batches, guacamole, I mean, you name it, it does the trick. So you just take some nuts here, just put it inside, take the lid, place it on top, make sure it's locked into place, and then you just turn this, pull a few times. And the amount of pulls that I do is how finely or coarsely chopped the nuts will be. So we'll just do a few more. Unlock. And within just a few pulls, look what we've done. So you can actually put it in here for storage if you'd like, or serving. And let's show one other thing we can do. Very popular item that the Veggie Chop is great for is onions. So let's just throw a couple in here and see how fast the Veggie Chop can whip these into shape. So once again, lock it into place. Just a few pulls on the cord. And how many pulls was that? I wasn't counting, but look at this. Check it out. You could just throw some cilantro in there, tomatoes, you know, a little few spices, whatever you want to do. You could make salsa right there, all in one batch. And if you don't want to use it right now, or you have a little excess, it comes with a handy lid. You just pop on top and just push down, and you're ready to put this in the fridge for later.